Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add special celebration effects on Instagram Note. So if you also want to add special celebration effects on Instagram Note, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So adding the special celebration effects on Instagram Note is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, Instagram has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to add the celebration effect, there are specific emojis that triggers the theme background and effect of celebration. So in order to do that, first of all, what you have to do is go to the direct message interface. So simply tap on the direct message icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the direct message interface. You'll be able to see all of your messages over here. Also, you'll be able to find the section for note. At first, you'll be able to find the option for adding your note. So simply tap on the option your note. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the note. Now simply type in your note over here. Now in order to add the celebration effect, what you have to do is use this specific emojis. Using the emojis like party popper, cake, balloon triggers the celebration effect. For that, first of all, what you have to do is go to the emoji option on your keyboard. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the emoji. So you can either use the party popper emoji or you can also use the cake emoji. Likewise, you can also use the balloon emoji. You can use either of them. Now after doing that, what you have to do is tap on the share option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, when you add the note, instantly the celebration effect will be triggered and you'll be able to see the confettis on your screen. So like this, you'll be able to add the celebration effect on Instagram Note. So that is how you add special celebration effects on Instagram Note. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.